Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the term aljamiado in Spanish language. Introduction. Aljamiado refers to the practice of writing the Spanish language using the Arabic script. This intriguing cultural and linguistic phenomenon emerged during the Middle Ages and in the Iberian Peninsula, particularly among the Moors who remained in Spain after the Reconquista. These were the Muslims who converted to Christianity under pressure but maintained many aspects of their Islamic culture, including the use of the Arabic script. Historical context. The term aljamiado is derived from the Arabic word aljamia, meaning foreign or non-Arabic. This form of writing became particularly significant in the context of the Reconquista, a period marked by the gradual Christian reconquest of Muslim-held territories in Spain, culminating in 1492 with the fall of Granada. As Christian rule expanded, Muslims and Jews in Spain faced increasing pressure to convert to Christianity. The forced conversions led to the emergence of Moriscos or converted Muslims and conversos, converted Jews, who often practiced their original faiths in secret. Linguistic significance. Aljamiado served as a vital tool for preserving the cultural and religious heritage of these communities. Writing Spanish in Arabic script allowed them to continue their religious practices and communicate discreetly in a hostile environment. This practice not only preserved linguistic and cultural identity but also reflected a syncretic nature of Iberian society during this period. The use of Arabic script for writing Spanish is linguistically significant because it demonstrates the adaptability and resilience of language under socio-political pressure. Aljamiado texts often included religious literature, poetry, and practical documents, offering a glimpse into the everyday lives and spiritual concerns of their authors. Cultural integration. The practice of aljamiado exemplifies the complex cultural interactions between Christians, Muslims, and Jews in medieval Spain. Despite the political and religious tensions, these communities shared a common cultural and intellectual heritage that included elements of language, literature, science, and philosophy. The Aljamiado manuscripts are a testament to this shared heritage, illustrating how cultural boundaries can be permeable and how communities adapt to preserve their identities. Examples and literature. One of the most famous aljamiado texts is the manuscript of Almonacid, a collection of religious writings including Quranic exegesis, prayers, and sermons written in Spanish using Arabic characters. This manuscript, along with others like it, serves as an invaluable resource for historians and linguists studying the cultural and religious lives of Moriscos. The literature produced in aljamiado was not limited to religious texts. It also included epic poetry, folk tales, and practical guides. These texts provide insight into the daily lives, beliefs, and struggles of their authors, highlighting the cultural richness of the Morisco community. Preservation and legacy. The aljamiado manuscripts faced significant risks of destruction, especially during the Spanish Inquisition, when religious authorities sought to eliminate all traces of Islamic and Jewish practices. Despite this, a number of these manuscripts have survived, preserved in libraries and private collections. These texts are invaluable for understanding the cultural and linguistic diversity of medieval Spain. The legacy of aljamiado extends beyond its historical context. It represents the resilience of cultural identity in the face of adversity and the innovative ways in which communities adapt to preserve their heritage. Today, Aljamiado texts are studied by scholars interested in medieval Spanish history, Islamic studies, and linguistic diversity. Conclusion: Aljamiado, the practice of writing Spanish in Arabic script, is a fascinating example of cultural and linguistic adaptation. It emerged as a response to the socio-political pressures faced by Muslims in Christian Spain, serving as a means of preserving religious and cultural identity. The Aljamiado manuscripts offer a unique window into the lives of their authors, reflecting the rich and complex cultural interactions of medieval Iberian society. The preservation and study of these texts continue to provide valuable insights into the resilience of cultural identity and the dynamics of linguistic adaptation. So this was the discussion on Aljamiado in Spanish language. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.